If you want to get ahead of 99% of the people this year, you don't need any new online course. You just need to learn one skill: how to use AI better than anybody else. So, in this video, we are going to discuss 5 things which you can do to get ahead of 99% of people around you. So, whether you are an entrepreneur, student, professional, or somebody who just likes to play with AI, this video is for you. So, number one, better prompt leads to better results. So, if you want to get ahead of your competition, you need to write prompts which are better than 99% of folks. Because the truth is, many people are writing prompts which are just one liner and they don't extract the right information from AI. If you are writing prompt like, hey, help me growing my YouTube channel, or hey, create Facebook ads for me, these won't do much and will just create some generic responses. So the best thing which you can do is to write a correct prompt. And what's a better way to write a prompt than asking ChatGPT itself? Now let's check it out. So now let's see how we can create a prompt using ChatGPT. So if we want to, kind of say improve our YouTube channel, then either we can ask, hey, ChatGPT, help me in improving my YouTube channel. But in that way, right, it may provide some generic responses. So it's better to create a prompt. So here what we are doing is we are asking ChatGPT to create a prompt which will help us in improving our YouTube channel. So let's see what it creates. And this you can reuse, again and again. Okay, so if you see, right, this is a detailed prompt which ChatGPT has created, and we can edit it. So you can run what kind of a YouTube channel you are running, and what are our goals. Prompt is taking care of a lot of prompt engineering related concept which you don't have to try it out yourself. Now this is one example. Another could be like create a prompt which can help me in uh, you know creating Facebook ads for life insurance leads. Now if you see here, first it is providing a role. Okay, so in this prompt it is saying, hey, you are a Facebook ad expert, and this is one of the basic concepts of creating a prompt. And we have shared a prompt engineering video earlier which you can refer, but it is providing it a role that what role chat gpt should take, what kind of campaign it creates, and then um, certain details it is providing. And there are other information which you can update. So if you are selling a particular type of life insurance product, you can add here target audience. So all those inputs this prompt has provided you, and once you provide these details, you can use this prompt to create a ad which will generate life insurance leads. Now number 2 is projects. Create separate project for each of the work item you are doing. Now, here's where many people get messy. They have multiple ideas, they are working on multiple projects, and all of them is spread across multiple chat GPT windows. So, if you want to stay ahead of others, you need to start organizing everything in ChatGPT projects. So, by this, what you mean is you create a separate project for each of your work item. So, if you're building an app, create a separate project for it. If you're creating Facebook ads, a separate project for it. This way, ChatGPT learns what you are expecting, and when you go ahead, the results which it produces will be better, and it will have all the knowledge which you provided to ChatGPT earlier. So you don't need to repeat everything for the same project. This keeps your idea consistent and output coherent. Let's check it out. So in ChatGPT, so here is a section for projects. What you can do is you can create a new project for whatever you are doing, right? So for example, you are creating Facebook ads for a specific thing, Facebook ads for life insurance. Okay, so you can create a separate project here, and when you create different life insurance ads, every time you can come back, you can provide more instructions to ChatGPT, and it will contain all the information here. So whenever next time you're trying to create something, it will have all the information and it will create consistent results. So you don't have to train ChatGPT every time. That will save a lot of your time. And for example, if you are using ChatGPT, say 100 plus hours for creating Facebook ads, it will have 100 plus hour of knowledge, and this will help you in creating really powerful ads and all. So creating project for separate item will also help you in organizing your work. Number three is talk to ChatGPT. So there is a mode in ChatGPT where you can just talk and share most of your information instead of typing long sentences. Let's check it out how it works. How do you, talk to ChatGPT? Sometimes, writing long sentences or prompt is difficult. You may not like doing it, you know. So what you can do is you can just talk to ChatGPT. So let's, go through a scenario. Hi, I have created an app which helps in collecting emails from Airbnb or vacation rental guests. So what this app does it, uh, user can scan a barcode, provide their details, and then they'll get Wi-Fi details. Um, so now instead of typing all this content, I was able to, uh, just dictate it. It will expedite the work which I'm doing. So every time, instead of writing huge prompt or sentences, I can just use this thing. It can also help you in scenario where you want to interact with ChatGPT and come up with a strategy. Number four is creating master prompts and also system prompts. Master prompts are, the major prompt which you can use for a certain situation. For example, if you want to create a YouTube script, you can create a master prompt out of it. System prompt is something where when you work on some project, provide a lot of inputs, and at the end of it you can ask ChatGPT, hey, create a system prompt which I can use next time to create similar output. And in this case, ChatGPT will share a prompt for you. We talked a little bit about creating master prompts. That is like you ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. Another thing is creating system prompt. So in this section, I have been using ChatGPT to create a lot of YouTube scripts. And here I have asked ChatGPT, hey, can you share a prompt which I can use next time to create YouTube script? So what happens is like all the modification updates which we have provided earlier, it takes that into consideration and create this prompt which I can use to create any of my next YouTube videos script. So this way I have got a powerful prompt which is based on the knowledge which I have provided and which works based on my style. So creating system prompt is a great idea whenever you're doing a project and you want to replicate it. For example, you create Facebook ads, for certain client. You do 100 hours of work. Then you can ask ChatGPT to create a system prompt based on the work which you have done, and then use same system prompt for maybe your next client and a client after. So this will save a lot of time and energy and create powerful results for you. Number five is ChatGPT Canvas. Canvas can help you in editing your ideas or improving it, because many times what happens is first time when we ask ChatGPT to create something, it may be like maybe 60-70% correct, but we have to make a lot of edits, provide feedback to make it better. So in Canvas you can do it in between, and it's much easier to make any modification or changes you want to do. Using Canva, right, you can use this option, and here I have provided this prompt for creating YouTube script which was just created by ChatGPT, and here I will insert my video idea. My next video idea is related to future of AI trends you must know in 2026. Let's see. Here ChatGPT has created a YouTube video script, and what I can do is I can just go ahead and edit it. I can copy it. Once it's completely created, I can download it and so on and so forth. So it helps you in working with ChatGPT. Otherwise, you provide an input to ChatGPT, it provides output, and you can't do much with it. But help you Canvas help you in editing these responses and working with ChatGPT. So instead of hook, I can call it like maybe start or whatever, right? and the world is about to change again. If I want to edit this, I can do it. You can use this to provide edits. You can change the length, you can change the reading level, right? So I hope you are able to learn something from this video. Let me know which of these prompts or techniques which you are going to use in your own personal life. And if you know of any trick or tip related to ChatGPT, then please leave it in comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any future episodes. Thanks.